Samsung Internet Speed Show. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can show your internet speed on Samsung, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to show internet speed, if you open the settings app on your Samsung Galaxy device, whether you are on the latest Android 13 or the Android 14 update, Samsung Galaxy devices does not have the option to view the network speed indicator at the top of your status bar. So on the stock ROM with the stock features, you will not be able to do this. So instead, what you can actually do is open your browser, your Play Store, and download this app called Internet Speed Meter, and then make sure to open it up. It's a completely free application unless you want to pay for some features. Now all the permission that it's going to ask is only the notification access, so this is completely safe. It doesn't ask you for any other permissions, just grant the permissions for notifications here, and once done you will actually be able to see the network speed at the notifications as well as the status bar of your notifications panel. Now you can tap the three dots option and then go to preferences if you would like to view other options as well. Even if you close the app completely, you can see it is running in the background, so you'll be able to view the network speed indicator as well. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.